Hello, my name is Michael.Bradford, and I'm asking you for a few minutes of your time, and I promise you I'm going to offer you something very valuable at the end of this couple of minutes. Right now, just about everybody on the planet is going through a lot of challenges, a lot of changes. We don't know where we're going. We don't know where we're going. We don't know how all the energy is going to settle down with what's going on with COVID, what's going on with the vaccines. There's so much uncertainty, and a lot of people are really struggling with the energy shifts, the planetary energy shifts. So there's a lot of scrambledness, a lot of uncertainty going on right now. And I'm being motivated, pushed to help. Now, I work with people on a mental, physical, emotional, spiritual, and energetic level. I've been doing this for my entire life for the last 40, 50 years, helping thousands of people all over the globe. And I'm being motivated to shift my teaching from in person, which I used to give live workshops, to moving online. And in order to celebrate this and in order to kick it off, rather than charging $495, $497 for a workshop, I'm offering my two signature workshops. Number one, the personal breakthrough to total freedom, and my weekend workshop, intuition training. I'm offering them both for only 197 US dollars. Now that's a $990 value. During these workshops, and for these first two workshops, I'm only allowing 12 participants. The reason for that is I want to give extreme personal attention. I want to be able to spend quality time with each person, looking at their energy, reading their energy, giving them feedback, helping them to polish their rough edges, and to assist them, or you, to bring all of those gifts within you, mental, physical, emotional, spiritual, energetic, to the highest level possible. We are all spiritual beings having a human experience, except when there's an unresolved shock, trauma, or loss, our energy shuts down, our energy is distorted, our energy is scrambled. And some of it is conscious, some of it's unconscious, some of it's from this past, excuse me, some of it's from this lifetime, and some of it's from past lifetime. Some of it isn't even ours because we absorb it from other people. Luckily, I've been given a gift that allows me to tune in, to tap into what is really going on, to read the energy of an individual. Now, I've written 3 books. My first book, The Healing Energy of Your Hands, was an international bestseller in 12 languages. My second book, Mastering the Human Experience, Your Soul's Journey on Earth, was very successful, and I just came out with a new book, Intuition, Your Silent Thunder. I've worked with over 20,000 people all over the planet. I've worked in medical clinics, I've worked in chiropractic clinics, helping people. So my knowledge and experience is pretty vast. I've also worked in the fields of health and healing. I've been working with personal excellence, spiritual growth, as well as entrepreneurship, business, and wealth creation. I have 2 years of engineering, a bachelor's in business, master's in international management. I've got NLP master and trainer, hypnosis master and trainer, Reiki master. I have so many degrees, but where I really gained my background and knowledge was traveling the world, traveling with Native American medicine people, traveling with Canadian medicine people, working in the healing rooms alongside the psychic surgeons from the Philippines for weeks on end, helping them, being with the Maoris in New Zealand. So as I've traveled, as I've studied, and by the way, I didn't go to become a healer. I didn't go to lead workshops like this. What I wanted to do was stop my own pain. And in that process, my own intuition opened up. In that process, my gifts opened up. So I'm inviting you to please take a look at these workshops. and see if they're right for you. If you have any questions, please give me a call, and I'm more than happy to talk to you to see what is right for you. I offer private sessions. I offer online workshops. I offer coaching and mentoring programs. And I'm also helping entrepreneurs and companies by sitting on their board of directors and advising them. So, again, please take a moment, sense within yourself what is right for you. And if you just want to have a chat with me, that's okay. Please give me a call. Thank you very much for taking your time to listen. And I sure hope that you are doing the best you can during these crazy times. Thank you for taking the time to listen.